I got my bullet rating higher again. I think it's 1989. I played a few games over the week. Yeah, it's 1989. You can't see that, and I made a little change. So, as you can see, over on the create a game and play this is the clock, and right over here will be the board. So let's just get started. And it's 10 games, and we're, yeah, 1 plus 0. I have no idea what this guy's playing. Ooh, this guy's being tricky. F5. Oh, yeah. Yes. Take it. Give me all your pieces. No. I just go here and I'll take some of your pieces. Nothing wrong with trading a bit. E3. Let's squish him. That move wasn't necessary. Okay, queen a5. Queen b2. Alright, well, his time. His time is kind of bad, so if I can just get him to lose a lot of time, he should be good. Oh no! No! My beloved pieces. I just don't see that I can checkmate you and we'll be fine. Alright, that's checkmate, I think. But he can maybe not take. But then what does he do? Keep checking me? He can't keep checking me. Oh, nice save. Now I feel like I'm gonna get checkmated. I hope not. Oh no. Yes, I am. Ooh, helpful. Very helpful to me. I'm being weird. Ah! Oh, he has no time. It just kind of, yeah. Okay. 19. You know, I'm kind of lazy. I'm 1994. If I win one more game, I'll be 2000. Should I just end the video right there? I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna play 10 games. So this will be the second game. Everything works out right. Oh no. Oh, you can't see the time that well. Ooh, okay. What should I do about that? This guy just aborted the game. I don't know why it just keeps doing that. It changes the crop all the time. Maybe I should still change, like... Okay, I'll make this video a little longer. Where's my window capture? The clock. Cool. I'll remove it. You know, what should I do about that? You know, you're gonna see some weird stuff, but I don't care. I'll first move my logo over here. Sorry if it is kind of annoying, but I need to do this. Okay, you can't see this, so it should be okay. Left, top. It's actually quite cool when you do this. 100, 200, 150. Cool, that's good. We can keep going on with the video, but my logo's kind of covered up, so I'm gonna put it somewhere else and make it smaller. How about I put it over here? I need to be on top. Okay. I hope this is actually a good format. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, well, you know what's wrong with a longer video? Kinda cool actually. Everything has been locked and okay. Let's just keep going. 1994. He got warned. Oh, 21-26. What is going on with this? All of them are aborting. Is this guy gonna abort? Okay, good. Oh, this guy drank 7,000 energy drinks. I just want his queen. Resign. Yeah. Okay. I'm 2,000. This is only the second game. I'm gonna play some more. A lot more. That was a short game, so I think it can actually cover up for the time I lost. Okay, D3. And rookie. And free pawn? I don't know what you're doing. Oh, that's some pieces. Chill. You're going crazy. You're playing like 40 moves per second. Okay, I feel kind of unsafe. No, I don't. I still kind of do. I'm gonna finish it on my queen. How do you like that? Yeah, you don't. Ooh, this is scary. Maybe this. Oh, knight takes g3. Come on. Okay, he didn't see. Was that a good move by him? We'll never know. Unless this game finishes right now. Okay, I gotta play quick. Okay, no more talking. The checkmate's coming. Oh, no, it's not. Ah! Ah, that's not a good move. Dirty flag, come on. No. Woo! Yeah, 2006. That was 3 games. My memory's bad. I guess I'm doing the same thing again. I'm gonna record it. So that was 3 games. Should I only play 5 games? I don't know. I'm kind of lazy because I already got a 2,000. I should actually change the title of this to Getting to 2,000 and 2,100. By the way, my English is bad, so for play chess and play good, I know that's grammatically wrong. Now I know. I maybe should change it, but that's too many videos to change. Because I already made like 30 of them. I can't change the title of all of them. And changing the whole series, I'd have to change the stuff in the video, so yeah, we're not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm too lazy to do that. I wish like YouTube could do something like change, but I'm forgetting that. Alright, what's, oh, Well, I don't think it really matters. Like, these doubled pawns aren't actually that much of a weakness. I kind of like them. I don't like this. F6. Boom, you're kicked down. Now I'm going here. Yeah. I just undoubled my pawns. And I said I liked them. I'm a traitor. Boom. Take! Give me the queen. Everything will be much nicer when you give me the queen. Maybe 6. D3 and E2. That should be good. Oh no, he avoided it. Oh no. I think I have to take. But it might not be a perpetual. It might just be a win. He has no time. Yep. Woo. Okay, that's my 4th game, I think. 1989, 1994, yeah, okay. That's my 5th game. What am I doing? It's really hard to remember stuff. Why? Oh my god, it's so weird. Why does Lee just keep changing the crop? Like, if I refresh the page, what happens? Nothing. Huh. Well, this 26 diagonals thing is way too big again. That should be good. What should I do? Should I play one more game? I'll play one more game and then I'll be done. But I'll put these in both playlists. Oh wait, no, I didn't. I changed. Oh yeah, by the way, because like getting to 2000, getting to 2100, it's kind of bad because there will be way too many playlists, and I get there with like Blitz, and there wasn't that many videos, so I don't think I should actually make it like getting to some rating. I should just make it getting to like rating, and then uh it's just like what time control, bullet, rapid, or blitz. I might make a ultra bullet one. Yeah, whatever. Just one more game. Bojo Pavlik. Should I look at the other screen? No, that'll be way too hard to play. H3 maybe. F1, H3. This should be nice. I played that way too quickly without even thinking. Okay, should I go back? I'll go back. Be extra disgusting. H4. Okay, no, my plan is just failing so hardly. This is always a problem in the King's Engine attack. I shouldn't say that. Oh, F3. F3. This guy has some time. Go took my queen. Ooh, no slip. Ah, my time. What's happening? Time to free move. Oh, I think I lost this game. Ending with a loss? That's not good. You know, I don't care. Why am I looking at my inbox? That's not the one. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of tired, and I have a class in an hour. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me on Lichess to see these games. I'm too lazy to put the link in the description for these games because there are way too many games. So yeah, subscribe to my channel 26 Diagonals if you want to see more of my videos, and like the video. Maybe comment down below. I don't know why, if you want to. And okay, should I do something weird? Well, this will be for next time. Goal is now 2100. That's good. I don't know if it'll actually show. And just, this should be something I should do more often. Like, after, like at the end of the video, I changed the rating. I think I'm 2004 now. I'm supposed to play 10 games, but I have no idea how many games I played. Let me see. Sorry if I'm like talking too much and not playing enough, but my first game was okay. I use these games to just test like how much crop. Sanger, so this is 1. These don't count. 2, 3, 4, and 5 games. Yeah, I guess I could say 7. Yeah, just 5 games. Cool. Yeah. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, because that would be nice. I hope you subscribe at least. You should. Let's do it! And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. It's 18 minutes. I'll make it 18 minutes and 30 seconds. It won't be like that on YouTube, but I'm just gonna give some time for the end screen, because like, yeah, I give some time. Look at my other videos for the end screen. Like, just, I'll put an end screen on like create a game and these two, and you better click them. And I'll put my subscribe in the Wii chest, so see you next time. Ah!